Is it even possible to trade calmly, confidently, and without fear for your money? Yes, it's real. And you will be amazed at how cool it works if you have the right tool in your hands that any trader dreams of. Our AI Signals version 2.1. This is a well-thought-out system that my team and I built in Python, pumped up with machine learning and tested on live markets. We didn't just write code, we squeezed the maximum out of the market with the precision of a surgeon. And now our system brings profit not only to us, but also to subscribers. A guy nicknamed VladX wrote to me in Telegram a month ago. Listen, if this isn't another scam, add me. I have $20 on my card and just want to stop being a beggar. I'll check how it works, and if anything, I'll come back with feedback. Of course, I helped the guy and added him to the group. And yesterday I got this from him. Bro, I don't know what you've coded there, but I'm already at $2,250 in 19 days. For the first time in my life, I didn't just blow my deposit, but on the contrary, I increased it 100 plus times. You didn't just give signals, you gave a way out of the swamp, thanks to you and the team. You're reading this now and perhaps you still have doubts, but our system processes dozens of trading paths every second, analyzes volumes, patterns, trends, and now it also tracks market sentiment and news in real time. If the system gives a signal, it's not fortune telling. It's 87% confidence verified by history and real money. Now imagine, you open a trade not because it seems so, but because the system calculated the moment precisely. You don't sit for hours at the monitor. You just get a signal, open a trade, take the profit. Let me show you how the system works in real time. So I logged into one of my trading accounts on my laptop, and I was already connected to the system on my smartphone. I risk $1,000 in each trade. Expiration is 1.5 minutes. All signals are on my smartphone right away, and so that you can follow the logic of the entries, I will add a simple graphic markup. Well, the fun begins. Let's see how to pull out a profit. The first signal is already here. I instantly fly into the deal. There is no need to sit for hours. The system gives instant entries. Everything is clear, fast and without unnecessary movements. We are waiting for the end. So the first trade was a loss, but that's nothing. It's part of trading, and there's no strategy in the world that always gives a profit. But we have an advantage. Our algorithm shows a stable win rate of 87%. And that's how we make a profit over the long haul. I know what I'm doing. I just strengthen the next trade and move on. Everything is according to plan here. I received a clear signal to go down. I open a deal. Everything is according to the algorithm here. No guesswork, no intuitive decisions. Just relax, unwind. You can go brew some tea, you can cook some food, do whatever. The system will do the job anyway. That's what I call really cool trading. Here is the profit, $3,740 goes to the balance. And I reduce the risk and wait for a new signal. Damn, it's even somehow offensive for those guys who trade on some stupid advice on YouTube and drain their balances. I used to be like that, but I quickly got out of this crap. And now I enjoy my business. With our system, you can do the same. Watch to the end and find out how to get the access. So a new signal for increase has arrived. I open a deal and just wait. I trust the system 100%, so I act immediately. I'm fixing the loss in this deal. I was unlucky today. I got the low percentage twice. But that's such a trifle. With the increase in risk and a new signal, everything should be fixed. We are waiting. And here is the signal. I didn't have wait too long. I open a deal to increase. Let's even just keep quiet and wait for the result. That's what you should expect. The system worked great again and gave me $3,780 in profit. how I want to shake hands with my team. Only our common experience allows us to make this miracle happen. Yes, through hundreds of attempts, yes, through losses and trials. Yes, we spent a lot of time, but what we got, I think it's worth any expense. No, I can't just end the video. I suggest waiting for another signal and confirming my words. Done. The signal has arrived on the smartphone. I open a deal for a decrease. You know, I even forgot that I have visualization tools open here. That's how easy it's for me to trade now. Well, let's wait for the result of the deal. I didn't even doubt that this deal would be profitable. I get another $1,750 and finish the trading session. Well, should I even say anything? You've seen it all. It was as confident and easy as possible. The system did its part, and I did mine. Without it, I would most likely be stuck in doubt again and worry about whether the deal would work. But here, I was 100% confident. The entries were excellent, the signals were accurate, and the result was $2,270 in net profit in half an hour. That's why I love algorithms. They don't make mistakes. They don't get tired. They just bring results. While you're scrolling through your feed and googling how to make money online, one of my subscribers, Aaron, has already made $2,730 in just 1 week. Here is his message. Bro, this is awesome. I didn't even believe it at first. I thought I just sold it and forget about it. Now I look at my account and I don't understand why I didn't start earlier. Thanks to you and the system. I'm really enjoying the process. This is not a pretty story for advertising. These are real deals, real numbers, and a real person who simply stopped procrastinating and took a step. These are algorithms written in Python, machine learning, real-time market analysis. And now we are testing the updated version of AI Signals, version 2.2, in which the accuracy reaches an incredible 89%. We opened only 8 places to test the new version. Further access will be closed, because we want to work with each trader personally, and we need only the best, ready to work and confident. Why do I need this at all? Well, look, I get 5% of your profit, so it's in my interest for you to earn. That's why I don't need random people. I need those who are ready to go all the way, who do not whine, but do. So stop putting off a better life for later. You really have a chance now, so pull yourself together and take your step. See you.